64.
Page number 64. Okay. And
Mr. Lamb, so you think you are just the same.
so you think you are just the same. It is okay, fine. I got it. Everybody know? Everybody knows where we are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
So put the date and start doing. Yes, the characters, Mr. Lamb and Derry.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumit has not joined today. Okay, Meg, begin.
Yes, ma'am.
You
So you
and
think you are, ma'am, me and Divya.
okay.
So you think you are just the same as all the other peoples with the burnt faces, just by what you look like. Everything different, everything's the same, but everything is different itself.
How do you make all that out?
Divya,
Watching, listening,
be little louder.
thinking.
Divya, be little louder.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
How do you make all that out?
Watching, listening, thinking.
Okay, now Daddy
I would
says
like
that when I 1 minute, Daddy says that let us have a link what we did yesterday. Now, as they were talking, Daddy says that when he returned from the hospital, the people, you know, they were talking about him, and one of the women, she said that it would be better if Daddy would have stopped there in the hospital. Okay, why then Daddy says that she thinks that blind people should live with the blind and idiots with the idiots, and Mr. Lamb, he just continues, he just carries on, and he says, yes, then people like me, lame, you know, with no legs, they should be all together. So Daddy कहता बिल्कुल सही. So Mr. Lamb कहता what kind of a world that would be, you know. So Daddy कहता at least there would be nobody to stare at. Why? Because everybody would be the same. कोई किसी को घूरेगा नहीं, क्यों? क्योंकि सब same होंगे, है ना? So Mr. Lamb says, so you think you are just the same as all the others with one faces, है ना? Just watch like what you look like. Everything's different, but everything is the same, but everything is different itself. Okay. So how do you make all that out? Means how can you conclude that everything is different, but at the same time everything is same? तो ये सब कैसे पता करते हो? Derry he asked. So he says watching, listening, and thinking. Yes.
I would like a place like this, a garden. I would like a house with no curtains.
The gate is always open.
But this is not mine.
Everything is yours if you want it. What's mine? Is anybody?
So I could come here again. Even if you were out, I could come here.
Certainly you might find others here, of course.
Oh,
Well, that's not needed. Stop you. You need not mind it.
it would stop them. They would. It would
Yes.
stop them. Yes, ma'am. It would stop them. They would mind me. When they saw me here, they look at my face and run.
They might,
Yeah.
they might not.
1 minute. Let me explain this. Now he says, ki, I just watch things, I just listen, I just think, and then I come to the conclusion. Okay. Then Derry, he says, I like this place, I like this garden, I like this house with no curtains. Mr. Lamb, he says, yes, if you like it, the gate is always open, you're most welcome. But Derry says, this is not mine, I'm not the owner, this does not belong to me. Mr. Lamb, he says, everything is yours if you want it, okay? What mine is anybody's, okay? Whatever belongs to me, it belongs to anyone, it belongs to everyone. So Derry, you know, he's somewhat excited and he says, oh, then I could come here again. And even in case if you were out, I could come here, okay? In case if you're not here, then too I can come here. Surely you might find others here. Of course, Mr. Lam says, okay, you can come here and surely you are going to see other children, other people here in my garden. Oh means he does not like, that others should be here. Well, that needn't stop you. You needn't mind. So, Mr. Lam कहते हैं, that need not stop you. Okay, if others are here, it hardly matters to you. You should not stop entering the garden. You should not mind them. It would stop them. But he says that on seeing me, they would stop playing. They would stop coming. They would mind it. And when they are going to see me here, they are going to look at my burnt face, and surely they would be afraid and they would run away. Chalo, karo ab isko. Up till the
They might,
last page. Yes.
they might not. You would have to take the risk. So would they?
No, you would. You might have me and lose all your other friends because nobody wants to stay near me if they can help it.
I have not moved.
No,
When I go down the streets, the kids shout slammy lamps, but they still come into the garden, into my house. It's a game. They are not afraid of me. Why should they be? Because I am not afraid of them. That's why not.
did you get your leg blown off in the war?
War nahi,
Certain,
war. Divya, read properly. Read properly, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Lamb.
certainly.
How will you climb on a ladder and get the crab apples down then?
Oh, there's a lots of things I have learned to do and plenty of time for it. Years I take it steady.
If you fell and broke your neck, you could lie on the grass and die. If you were on your own,
I could.
you said I could help you,
If you want to.
but my mother will want to know where I am. It's 3 miles home across the fields. I am 14, but they still want to know where I am.
People worry.
People fuse.
Go back and tell them.
It's 3 miles.
It's a fine evening. You have got legs.
Once I got home, they would never let me come back.
Once you got home, you would never let yourselves come back.
You don't know what I could do
No, only you know that.
if I choose.
If you choose, I don't know everything, boy. I can't tell you what to do.
Okay, wait. Now they might not. Means there is a possibility on seeing you, Mr. Lamb says they might run or they might not run. You would have to take the risk, so would they. But this risk you have to take. है ना ये risk तो उठानी पड़ेगी, and similarly even they have to take the risk if they need to be in the garden. No, you would. You might have me and lose all your other friends. कहता नहीं, this risk you are going to take, that if you want me to be here in the garden, then you shouldn't allow anybody else to come here, because nobody wants to stay near me if they can help it. Okay, और कोई भी नहीं चाहेगा that they should be with me, they should be near me. I'm not moved. No, when I go down the street, the kids shout, "Lammy lamb." Okay, Mr. Lamb can children, they tease me, they call me Lammy Lamb, but still they come into the garden because I don't mind, and they come into my garden, they come into my house, it's all a game, and they are not afraid. Why should they be afraid? Because I'm not afraid of them. कहते हैं ना तो मैं डरता हूँ उनसे, तो फीमेल से नहीं डरते हैं. Though they tease me, but still they come to my garden, they come to my house. And then he asked, how did you get your leg it blown off? He wants to be sure whether it was blown off in the war. Of course it is. Then how you are going to climb on a ladder, and how you will pluck the crab apples? So Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, there's a lot of things I've learned to do. Though I'm lame, but I have learned to do many things. and plenty of time I had to learn it. Years, in so many years I've learned to do almost all the things. But Jerry, he says that suppose if you fell down and if you broke your neck, you could lie on the grass all alone. If you pluck the apples, you could fell or you could fall from the ladder, and you can also die. You could also die if you were on your own. If you're all alone doing all these things, plucking the apples and all, climbing the ladder. Of course, I could. There is possibility. वो कहता है हाँ हो सकता है ऐसा. Now Derry says you said that I could help you, of course, if you want to. है ना, वो कहता है आपने कहा मैं help कर सकता हूँ, तो Mr. Lam कहता है if you want to. But Derry says that his mother, she must be waiting, and she might be waiting for him and wanted to know where his son was, where her son was, and he says that it is already 3 miles away 3 miles away from here, and the fields. I'm 14, but they still want me to know where I am. 3 miles away they are, okay? Now he says that my house, it is 3 miles away, and I'm already 14, but now Daddy thinks that he's too grown up, okay? And he says, though I'm already 14 years old, but still they want to know that where their son has been. They means parents and all.
Parents.
People worry, people fuss, go back and tell them. अब वो कहता नहीं, लोगों को चिंता होती, कहते नहीं ये तो सब पास ऐसे ही नाटक करते हैं, they pretend है ना, क्या hypocrites हैं. Go back and tell them. Mr. Lam कहते हैं जाओ बोल कर आओ उनको. तो कहता है 3 miles. तो कहता है it is a good evening, fine evening, and you have got legs so you can walk. Once I got home, they would never let me come back. Now children, when they play outside, na, they have this fear. This is a very common thing. Na? They don't want to enter the house while playing. क्यों उनको मालूम है कि घर में enter होंगे तो parents कहेंगे बस अब बहुत खेल लिए, enough now, sit at home, शाम हो गई, study or do something else and don't go out. So similar fear even this child was having. He says that once he reaches home, my parents, they would never let him come back. Once you got home, you would never let yourself come back. So Mr. Lam कहता है parents क्या नहीं आने देंगे. You yourself means Derry himself would not be interested in returning. एक तरह का उसको challenge करते हैं. तो कहता है you don't know what I could do. He accepts the challenge. आपको मालूम नहीं है, what can I do? Okay. तो Mr. Lam कहते sure. How will I know? Only you know that. What can you do? If I chose, okay, if I decide, if you chose, I don't know everything, boy, I can't tell you what to do. Okay? Oh, if you choose, if you decide, I don't know, child, wo kehta hai, he does not know. Okay? And he also cannot tell what is to be done. Only Derry can decide now what is to be done, whether he would return back or not. Turn the page and read the whole page. Hurry up.
They tell me.
Do you have to agree?
I don't know what I want. I want something no one else has got or ever will have. Something just mine. Like this garden. I don't know what is it.
You could find out.
How?
Waiting, watching, listening, sitting here or going. There, I will have to see to the beach.
Those other people who come here, do they talk to you, ask you things?
Some do, some don't. I ask them, I like to learn.
I don't believe in them. I don't think anybody ever comes. You are here all by yourself and miserable, and no one would know if you were alive or dead, and nobody cares.
You think what you please?
All right then, tell me some of their names.
What are names? Tom, Dick, or Harry? I am off down to the beach.
I think you are deaf crazy.
That's a good excuse.
What for? You don't talk sense.
Good excuse not to come back. And you have got a burnt face. And that's all people's excuse.
You are like the others. You like to say things like that. If you don't feel sorry for my face, you are frightened of it. And if you are not frightened, you think I am ugly as a devil. I am a devil, don't you? You don't. I like it here. I am going, but I will come back. You see. You wait. I can run. I have not got a tin leg. I will be back.
Okay,
There,
now
my
wait.
dear.
Wait. Now they tell me, do you have to agree? I don't know what I want. I want something no one else has got or ever will have, something just mine like this garden. I don't know what it is. Now Derry, he says that I don't know what I want. Yani he does not know what he wanted, but he wanted that nobody else has ever got or will ever get. Okay, जो किसी को नहीं मिला या नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, जैसे वो कहता है that something just mine, only mine. मतलब मुझे मेरा ही चाहिए. That should belong to me only. Okay, it shouldn't be shared by anybody. It should not belong to anyone. Just like this garden, वो अपनी इच्छा wishes express करता है कि like this garden, and I don't know what it is. You could find out. Oh, मुझे नहीं मालूम क्या है. तो कहते come on, find out what it is. But how? कैसे find out करूँ? Then again he advises him, watch, listen, sit here or go there, just wait, okay, admire everything. And then he says, now I have to go. Mr. Lamb says he has to go. Why? Because he has to see the bees. Now Derry, he says, those other people who come here, do they talk to you, ask you things? Now he wanted to know the other people, the other children and grown-ups, whosoever comes into the garden. Do they also talk to Mr. Lamb? Do they also ask things? Mr. Lamb, he says, yes, some do and some don't. Some of them, they do ask many things, and some, they don't ask. I ask them, I like to learn, but he says, yes, he talks to them. Why? Because he likes to learn many things. I don't believe in them. I don't think anybody ever comes. You are here by all you by yourself and miserable, and no one would know if you are alive or dead, and nobody cares. Now, Derry, he says that I just don't trust you. I don't believe you. Whatever you say, and he says that it does not look if anybody comes there in the garden. And he says to Mr. Lamb that he is all alone in the garden and is in a miserable condition. And in case even if he dies, nobody would ever come to know why, because according to Derry, nobody comes. तो मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं, यू थिंक व्हाट यू प्लीज, व्हाटएवर प्लीजेस यू, जो भी तुम्हारी इच्छा है, जो भी तुम्हें खुशी दे, तुम सोचो ना. ऑल राइट देन टेल मी सम ऑफ द नेम्स. नाउ डेरी को लगता है कि मिस्टर लैम ही बिकम समवॉट ब्लंट. भाई डू व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक, है ना, थिंक व्हाटएवर प्लीजेस यू. तो उसको कंफर्म करने के लिए कि उसको लगता है कि यस, many of them they come into the garden, so he asked Mr. Lamb to tell their names. So Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, what are names, Tom, Dick or Harry, यही होंगे. And then he gets up and he is about to move to the bees. Okay. तो डेरी को काफी गुस्सा आता है और कहते हैं, उसको लगता है निग्लेक्ट करके वो जा रहे हैं. यू आर डेफ्ट, यू आर क्रेजी. ठीक है. तो मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं, वेरी गुड एक्सक्यूज. कौन सा एक्सक्यूज है फॉर नॉट कमिंग बैक टू मी? चैलेंज कर दिया था ना कि मदर शी वोंट स्टॉप यू, इंस्टेड यू योरसेल्फ विल नॉट बी इंटरेस्टेड टू रिटर्न टू मी. मिस्टर लैम ने उसको कहा था. तो कहता है, अब बहुत अच्छा एक्सक्यूज है, तुमने मुझे क्रेजी बोल दिया, तो अ गुड एक्सक्यूज फॉर you, what for, you don't talk sense. Okay, good excuse not to come back. कहते हैं, बहुत बढ़िया excuse है तुम्हारे पास that you would not come back, and you have got a burnt face, and that's other people's excuse. Okay, now you are having the excuse कि Mr. Lamb is crazy, I am crazy. Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, so that will be a good excuse for Derry not to return. Okay, and other people on seeing the burnt face of Derry, they have this excuse not to approach Derry. You are like the others, you like to say things like that. अब डैडी को लगता है, हाँ ये भी दूसरों की तरह हैं, दूसरों की तरह बातें करते हैं. If you don't feel sorry for my face, you are frightened of it. अब उसको लगता है कि if you do not feel any kind of pain or if you do not feel sorry on seeing my burnt face, इसका मतलब तुम डर रहे हो. And if you are not frightened, you think I'm ugly as a devil. और यदि नहीं डर रहे हो, ओके, तो तुम्हें क्या लगता है ना, तुम ये समझते हो हाँ बिल्कुल डेविल की तरह मैं बड़ा बैड लुकिंग हूँ, अगली हुआ, यस आई एम अ डेविल डोंट यू, एंड ही स्टार्ट शाउटिंग. वो बहुत अग्रेसिव हो जाता है ना, वो एक तरह से इरिटेट हो जाता है, चिढ़ जाता है मिस्टर लैम से. और वो कहता है कि इफ यू डू नॉट फील सॉरी, इफ मिस्टर लैम्प यू नो डजंट फील सॉरी ऑन सीइंग हिज फेस, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि वो डर रहे हैं. और यदि डर नहीं रहे तो उन्होंने ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है कि मैं बिल्कुल डेविल की तरह अगली हूँ. ओके, एंड ही स्टार्ट शाउटिंग. Mr. Lamb, he does not reply, and without listening to him, he just moves back. No, you don't. I like it here. Okay, or I'm going, but I'll come back now. See, he took it as a challenge, and a positive attitude comes in him. Okay, उसने चैलेंज ले लिया, एक तरह का चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. मिस्टर लैम ने कहा तुम नहीं आओगे, तो कहता नहीं अब मैं आऊंगा, आई विल कम बैक. यू सी, यू वेट एंड आई कैन रन, आई हैवंट गॉट अ tin leg, I will be back. I do not have a tin leg like you, and I will be back. Mr. Lamb, you know, now he is there and he is plucking the crab apples, and he is talking to himself there, my dears, that you seem to are, you know, we all know I'll come back. Okay, they never do. Or कहते हैं, of course my dear, now you seem to move out, but I know, and everybody knows that when people say I'll come back, है ना, बच्चे कहते हैं मैं वापस आऊंगा, but they never come back. Okay, not them never do come back, है ना, और वो वापस नहीं आते. Now this is Derry's house. Yes, beta, hurry up. We must finish it today anyhow. Hurry up, hurry up. Be fast in reading. Or should I read it? Should I read it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You think I don't know about him? You think I haven't heard things? Derry, you shouldn't believe all you hear. Being told, warned, we have not lived here 3 months, but I know what there is to know, and you are not to go back there. Now see, he is taking permission from his mother, and mother, you know, she's refusing. कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है? I don't know about him. मैं नहीं जानती sorry उनके बारे में, and I haven't heard things about him. मतलब she might have heard many negative things about Mr. Lamb, so she's refusing his son to go back to Mr. Lamb. तो डेरी कहता है, you should not believe all you hear. जो आप सुनते हो ना उस पर विश्वास मत करो. Okay, a positivity has come. So mother says, I have been told and I have been warned not to send the children there. And he says, though we have been living here only 3 months have passed since we have been living here, but I know, okay, that what I should know about him, that I know very well. And the last thing she says, that she orders his son not to move there. What are you afraid of? What do you think? He is an old man with a tin leg. He lives in a huge house with curtains and has a garden, and I want to be there, sit and listen to things, listen and look. So Derry कहता, what do you think? Who is he? एक old person है जिनका tin leg है. He lives in a big house. A big garden is there. And I just, मतलब वो determined है अब कि उसको वापस वहाँ जाना है. He wants to listen to the things. Listen and look what mother कहती. Be singing and him talking. See, a positivity had come in him. He now wants to be with people. कहते मुझे देखना है 20 सिंग करती हैं और वो बात करते हैं. And what he's got to say to you, what is he going to talk to you? तो डेरी कहता है things that matter, things that are important, okay, things nobody else has ever said, और वो बातें जो आज तक किसी ने नहीं मेल से करी हैं, okay, things about the topics he's going to talk on which nobody has ever talked to me, and things I want to think about. And of course he's going to take all those topics on which I have to do my thinking. Then you stay here and do your thinking. Your best of your mother orders. Now stay here, do your thinking at home only. I hate it here. Daddy does not like it. You can't help the things you say. I forgive you. It's bound to make you feel bad things and say them. I don't blame you. Okay? अब जैसे ही वो कहता है I hate this place, तो mother कहती है I cannot help the things that you say. I cannot help with your statement, but still I forgive you. If you hate the house, okay, fine. You're a child. I forgive you. Okay, and surely if you will be there, you are going to feel very bad things, and then you will say them, you will speak them. I don't blame you. Means she does not blame her son. Why? Because she thinks he had been there, and from there he had learned to speak like this. It's got nothing to do with my face and what I look like. I don't care about that, and it isn't important. और mother का ये भी कहना है कि because of his face, you know, he had learned to speak like this because of the negative attitude of the people, because people are afraid of him, शायद इस वजह से. तो डेरी के अंदर इतनी पॉजिटिविटी आ गई है, वो कहता है it's got nothing to do with my face and what I look like. I do not care about it. It is not important. Now listen, it's what I think and feel and what I want to see and find out and hear. Now the face is not important. He wants to think, he wants to feel, he wants to see, he wants to find out, he wants to listen. And I'm going back there, और मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ only to help him with the crab apples. I'm going to help him in plucking the crab apples too. I'm going to look at the things and listen, but I'm going. Stop here, mother orders. Oh no. वो कहता है कि today if I won't go back, then never in my life would I will be able to go. Okay, door slam kar deta hai wo, and he just runs away and he says, of course I want the world, I want it. Now he want to be among people, he want to be near people. Now see, Mr. Lamb, you know, all these are the things that he's speaking while plucking the apples today. That's God, that's it. और वो प्लग कर रहे हैं, ये रहा वो रहा है ना, ये करके उसी समय क्रीक क्रैश की आवाज आती है, लेडर इट फॉल्स डाउन. मिस्टर लैम्ब एक थम की आवाज होती. Why? Because Mr. Lamb also falls. The branch swishes back, it's moved back, और creaking sound आती है, breaking sound आती है, बिल्कुल silence. Daddy enter होता है. He has already fallen, Mr. Lamb. You see, I came back. You said I wouldn't, and they said, but I came back. I wanted. अब वो कहता है, now see, you challenge me that I'll not come back, but वो कहता है, Mr. Lamb, I have come back. Even they were stopping me, but still I came back here because I wanted to come. And then he stops, you know, a dead silence is there. Mr. Lamb, Mister, you have. And then he runs and says, Mr. Lamb, it's all right. Oh, you have fallen. Don't worry, I'm here. It's all right. Okay. And then I came back, he says, but he finds that Mr. Lamb is already dead, and he starts weeping. Lammy Lamb, I did come back. And then he comes to know that Mr. Lamb is dead, and he starts speaking. Okay? Goodbye, beta. Take
Yes,
care.
ma'am.
God
Thank
bless
you,
you
ma'am.
all.